Okay, wait a minute. Let's pause it right there.
Maybe we should start from the beginning.
Hey, we're Abiding Tribe. Thank you for stopping by our channel. This is our first video on YouTube. My name's Eric.
I'm Jenny.
We started this big RV trip, and we thought we'd document it and bring you along for our journey, see how it turns out.
Yeah, the seed was planted a little over a year ago. A lot of research and time went into planning everything, and we finally took a leap of faith and took the plunge. So we're gonna share a few things with you, and we're just glad you came along for the ride. So we decided to keep it short and sweet for you, and we're gonna cover the good.
This is awesome.
Mommy, can I pet it?
Yeah, stick your hand out. Just don't get near his teeth.
Chocolate and candy.
For real?
Yeah,
Chocolate.
wall candy.
Chocolate and candy.
Yeah, wall candy.
I'm not sure there's gonna be chocolate and candy on this trail.
Yeah. Look at our taste.
Whoa.
Nice.
The bad.
What happened there? Cash thought Jenny was a
Fire hydrant here.
fire hydrant or a tree. So now her foot stinks.
And some of the unexpected for our first week.
What's up?
What's going on?
This fender here was flopping around. There's like 3 screws holding on, so
Oh my.
this is all I got right now. So hopefully this will hold.
Good thing we stopped at this little desolate gas station.
It's one of those gas stations Sebastian Maniscalco talks about.
All right, we good?
Should be good.
All right.
Covered a lot of ground. Took off from Florida August 28th and just booked it. We wanted to hurry up and get out west to kind of start the journey. As you can see on the map here where we've been, go from there. So our first major stop was South Dakota, but we saw some amazing landscapes along the way. We had four good long driving days, which wasn't our preference, but we did it.
So one of the best parts, I think, of covering a lot of ground was that we finally made it to South Dakota, and it was such a relief.
Yeah, so it was, what, 8 or so hours of driving, and then a one night,
Yes.
get up next morning and keep going.
One night stops and then hit the road the next morning. We actually stayed there for 3 nights, and that felt like eternity compared to those one-nighters. We met some incredible people there.
Amazing people.
So far the RV community is like our favorite.
First major campground, and like 2 neighbors were just awesome. Wish we would stayed there longer to get to know them more, but
We felt very fortunate to have them.
yeah.
leaving South Dakota. At least we're leaving our campground. We stayed at Fort Willicat Family Campground in Custer, South Dakota, and it was an awesome campground. beautiful sights. We met some really cool people. Kids made friends, and it was good. It was a good time. We enjoyed it.
Had no problem heading up there from Florida. The last day was at our 4th day of travel. Our 4th day of travel, we were, getting up in the South Dakota area. We had stayed in it was Iowa that night before, so we went from Iowa to Rushmore area. Hitting those inclines up there, started having a little bit of trouble with the truck. We'll talk more about that next episode. But we made it. A little slower than wanted to, but we got it. We got there safely. Well, that about sums it up for our first episode. We'll be doing another one here soon. Next one, we're gonna talk about more about the truck saga, and we'll be in the Glacier National Park area. Since we're new to YouTube, we'd love for you to subscribe and hit that little notification so you'll know when our next one comes out. We'd love for you to join us for the next one. Yeah, we're gonna see where this journey takes us, see how it goes.
More to come. See you next time.
See ya.